Hello, friends. Today we'll be talking about digital transformation. So, these days you might have heard and read about it. This is kind of a new buzzword these days. Everyone is trying to get involved or associated with this latest technology. You will find many MBA postgraduates, irrespective of their majors, seeking career in DT or digital transformation. Not only the MBAs, but even the project managers from traditional technologies such as Java, PHP, .NET, or from testing side are moving towards this area. And the reason why they are doing so, it's not only it's a new technology which is like 3 to 4 years old, but also a good number of jobs across the globe and good number of organizations have already adopted it and 10 times more are in process of adopting and implementing this new technology. This means that the organizations are heavily investing, putting more dollars, millions of dollars towards this side. And so there is naturally a growing scope in the market, and also like interest among the, I would say, managers or developers or who all are having some 8 to 10 years of experience. Now that could be individual contributors, developers, project managers, senior managers, kind of mid IT career employees, I would say. Now let's see what exactly this is. So this is like kind of a process of using digital technologies to create new or modify existing business processes based on the customer experience to meet the changing business and market requirement. The reimagining of business in the digital stage age is nothing but digital transformation. For example, chatbot. So you might have seen if you are logging into, let's say, Big Bazaar website or any other, social networking or marketing website or anywhere. So you will find there is a small chatbot or screen or window that just pops up and it asks like, "How may I help you?" Or if you have any questions, do let me know. So that is nothing but chatbot. So it's kind of a virtual assistant. Or there could be a good example like whenever you try calling customer service of your mobile operator or banking operator, then the automated teller or virtual assistant is nothing but chatbot that interacts with us. So it's like the individual or user enters their query or question or tries to interact with the chatbot, and whatever has been fed, the responses that have been fed or keywords in the chatbot, so it then answers the user accordingly. Another example, good example, is like automating workflows within organization. The other could be like reading and processing documents. Like as you might have heard, the initiatives taken by government of India on digitizing the government offices, which means putting all the data onto government website, what all records and data is they are having from um, past couple of decades. So they are putting everything on internet. I mean secured internet in their database, so that it is easily accessible to each and every one of the individuals. Plus, there is then less chances of forgery and doing something wrong with that. So basically, it helps in identifying the waste, making process or workflow lean, identify the technology that needs to be applied to solve the problem. Now it could be RPA, which is robotic process automation, could be AI, machine learning, IoT, etc. So based on the new challenges, issues that the businesses are facing, and so we do have the new and new technologies coming into the market to address those kind of issues. In general terms, if again I define digital transformation, so it is nothing but the integration of digital technologies into all areas of businesses, resulting in fundamental changes to how business operate and how they deliver value to the customers. Because ultimately the end goal is to make things more simpler and easy for the end user. Now it could be from government side or from the private sector side, but the end user is the you and me like kind of guys, who are majorly concerned about the services that we are getting. You will find numerous startups providing digital transformation consultancy, helping organizations in applying digital skills to make things on fast track and make the organization competitive with others in this rapidly changing scenario. There are many diploma and online certification courses online that teaches about digital transformation, such as like Coursera, Upgrade, Udemy, Udacity, EDS, Great Lakes, etc. Um, if I talk about digital transformation, so basically it provides better customer experience, operational agility, good culture and leadership, workforce enablement, and the integration of various digital technologies onto a single platform. Many organizations have rolled out this digital journey in a highly uniform manner. Many are in process of doing the same, but with the same message and techniques deployed throughout. Reskilling for everyone. So the early an organization reskill its employees, the better it is. The good upper hand that organization is having. And then that organization again sells their product or services to various other organizations, MNCs, just getting or rolling out millions of bucks. So integrating RPA, machine learning, AI, IoT, cloud, data analytics is nothing but digital transformation. So this is kind of a background of what exactly digital transformation is. Now let's talk about some numbers. So till now, there has been an investment of around $1.3 trillion on DT, which is mammoth in itself. It's a huge number, too much of savings. And so you will be finding too much of scope, and more employees are getting traction, getting attracted towards this side as well. You will find many success stories of applying digital skills within the organization, be it IT, FMCG sector, banking, manufacturing, health sector, etc. It has touched each and every sector of our market. Now, it's not only limited to private sector, but as I already mentioned, in government sector side, even in businesses as well. A quick homework for you. Like if you want to gain more knowledge about it, just go on to McKinsey or Gartner or BCG or HFS websites and search out some of the reports. So in that you will find more about this technology in much more detail, which will again help you out in shaping your career in future. Because in today's scenario, if you want to sustain in the IT world, upskilling is the only key. It's the only MSP with which you can sustain. Yep. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't done it. Thank you.